Okay, so the next one is a Swift machine squat, but to a dumbbell. So start up with the bar, make sure it's shoulder height. Put your hands, I want the ring finger on the knurling, on the little hook here, okay? First thing you can do, make sure there's a dumbbell set. Honestly, doesn't have to be heavy because you're not using it, just so it doesn't move. From here, that's why I grabbed the 16. From here, bring yourself under. Now, one of the biggest things I need to go over is to make sure, before I do it, it's not the same, this squat is not the same as a barbell squat. On the barbell squat, you have a complete freedom. On this, you don't, it's pinned, it's locked in, it's not going anywhere. So you're gonna have to move around for this to work. So you gotta almost lean on it instead. This cannot be the same. Come in, do it almost like a hack squat. Walk yourself in, so you're almost like leaning on the bar. But not to here. But I do it from here, I'm in the wrong spot. So walk yourself through, so you're almost leaning on it. Now for my depth, it's a depth check. As I squat, keep coming down, touch, sit, drive. Touch, drive, and squeeze my bum in. When I'm leaning, it's not a lean, it's not this, I put too much pressure on my lower back. Instead, it's from here, it's just a squeeze, it's just a bum squeeze. Once you're done, rack it, we're done.